Greetings! This is Sue Scheets from Stampin' with Sushi, and today I'm going to show you the Stampin' Up! Planner. This is found in the annual catalog, and if you're anything like me, you might have ordered it in June and done nothing with it. But I decided the best time to do something with it would be January, the start of the new year. And I want to show you what is involved in the planner and what I've done for my January pages. So the planner comes with two pockets. You can put whatever you want in the pocket. I have put the post-it notes that come with the planner in the smaller pocket. I haven't decided what to put in the second pocket. It comes with a section for each month, labeled with each month. So if you don't get this organized for January, you can actually start with February and put January in the back. In each section, you have a planning page, I call it. And you can decide what the categories are going to be in your planning page, and I'll show you on my January page what I've done. Then you have a monthly overview. I love that because you can get a good picture of your month right away. And then you have more detailed planning pages, one for every week in the month. They've added some extra pages at the back for those months that have 5 weeks. And at the very end of each month is a page for with lines on it, and I'm going to show you in January what I decided to do with that. Then at the very back of the book, there are some pockets that you could put pictures of outstanding things that happened during the month. There's a page where you can mark the week that you're on, and then there are a section of some stickers that you can add for fun to each one of your pages. There's 3 pages of colorful ones and 3 pages of gold ones. Now I took the gold pages and actually decorated my cover. I'll show you that again. Love Today, and then I liked that pretty rose on there. So are you ready to see how I decorated January? The first thing I want to show you is what I used on my pages. I used these colors of washi tape. I don't know about you, but I love washi tape, a fast and easy way to decorate something. I also used the Star of Light stamp set because my focus for January is going to be winter or snow, and I thought this just had a wintry look. I also looked for a stamp set that you could find in the annual catalog because that's still current. So I like the Star of Light because it has matching thinlits and a stamp set that coordinates. So I used that on several of my pages. And then I liked Eastern Beauty. It had some things that would make good side decorations. It also has matching thinlits. And so I thought I would probably find a use for those. And then I got this idea from my friend Dina, but this Tabs for Everything has nice little sayings that will be good for head toppers. So let's get started on how I decorated my January. The front page is sturdy and decorative on its own, but I wanted to put a symbol on it for my month. So I found this star from I gotta check out the name, the Star of Light stamp set, and cut it out of silver foil, and I thought that made a nice decoration to show you the theme of the month. The next page was the planning page. And I've decided on 3 things: birthdays, and I'm going to list all the birthdays I need to pay attention to in January, my goals for the month, and a to-do list of the important things I need to make sure I accomplish. I wanted to do a little bit of decoration, so I used the Eastern Beauty thinlits and made these little stars and this little flower accent piece, and then used the glitter dots to decorate it. I put the numbers into the full page planning page and made a little decoration on the top and on the side. And then to fill out the empty spots on the page, I used some of the medallion designer paper in the colors that I had chosen for this month. I chose Dapper Denim and Lemon Lime Twist. So that's my monthly planning. And then for each of the week spreads in the month, I chose to use the washi tape. I got this idea also from my friend Dina to divide each page into half And that way, if you've got a list and then maybe extra thoughts, you can put both of them on the page. And I just made a simple decoration on each page with the swirl from the Star of Light stamp set. So every page for the month looks exactly the same until you get to the last week of the month. And January ends on a Wednesday, so this side would be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and I didn't want to just leave that blank. So I used some of the designer paper and some washi tape to decorate that. Now at the end page with the list, I called this What Happened. And what I'm going to do on this page is kind of evaluate my month. If I had a party, I might write that. If I didn't meet my goals, I might make a reflection on I made too many for the month, or I wasn't focused enough, but just like a summary of the month that will help me with my next month. So like I said, if this sounds like something you might like to do, feel free to copy my decorations. And just remember, if you don't get your book until February or March, you can start whatever month you want in the year and then have it go for a full year. Thanks for watching.